chair back. All right. Test.
Testing,
I don't know
1, 2,
if I'm
3.
in the picture.
1, 2, 3.
Test. All right. What are you doing?
I'm Nevin.
And I'm Phaedra.
And thanks for stopping by our channel, Me and Mini-Me, Home Decor and DIY. Today we're going to be doing a makeover of the family room.
Yes, so first let's say it's been a while.
Yes.
We have not posted a video since June, so thanks for stopping by. This is a tough time. I'm sure everyone can agree, and just trying to find that balance with homeschooling, and I'm currently not working. When I came to the Northwest, I had come after leaving my job. I was part of the Great Resignation, hallelujah. And so spending time up here has just allowed us to regroup and just kind of relax and de-stress a bit. So Nevin is homeschooling from up here as well. So we've had a lot going on, so we do appreciate you all coming back to visit and hanging in there with us. And we're going to come to you with a new makeover today. We're going to try to keep it consistent since we're now in a really good routine
and
yeah
area.
And we are going to be adding vlogs as well, lifestyle type vlogs, so we hope you all continue to watch and enjoy those as well. As Nevin stated, this makeover that we're going to be doing is a spare bedroom, dingy, dark spare bedroom, and we are transforming it
into a beautiful family room. Black and white. No other color, just black and white.
Black and white with some green accents here and there. And
she's the one who decorated it. I just helped pick out some of the colors, but she's the one who decorated it.
It was more me this time because she was a busy little bee. I did most of the decorating while she was doing her schoolwork. So she's not in this video as much as she would normally be, but she did help out here and there, and she did choose a lot of the decor. And everything except for 2 items came from Amazon. Amazon came through. We didn't have to do anything. Shopped online, went through Amazon, and I'll list everything in the description box below. But other than that, we're not going to keep you. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Make sure to like the video and make sure to subscribe the video.
Enjoy. There she goes. All right, here's the delivery. We got the sofa delivered from Amazon, and God bless them to delivery man and woman. Brought this heavy thing up the stairs, and God bless our essential workers, and I think they are very essential because they're helping out so many people. So, but here is the sofa. Lifestyle Solutions. It's huge, and we're going to get it set up and see what it looks like. Someone wants to be on camera. Homeschooling.
Not very fun. Not fun at all. 1776.
You should know about all of that, huh?
Oh yeah!
1776. New York City. Pardon me? Are you Aaron Burr, sir?
That depends who's asking. Oh well, sure. Sir, I'm Alexander Hamilton. I'm at your service, sir. I have been looking for you. I'm getting nervous, sir. I heard your name in Princess, and I was seeking a acceleration course of study. But I got out of sorts with the buddy of yours. I may have punched him. It's a blur, sir. He handles the financials.
You punched a bursar?
Yes, I want to do what you did. To join the revolution. He looked at me like I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. So how'd you do it? How'd you graduate so fast? It was my parents' dying wish before they passed. I'm an orphan, of course. You're an orphan. I wish there was a war. We could prove there was something more, anything we could bargain for, something like that.
Wow, you remembered a lot.
Yeah. Mike. Okay. 1776. Yeah, when I read that, I'm like, that sounds like a familiar year. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That's not how you spell Pennsylvania. This is how they spelled it. Pennsylvania.
That is
That's
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
No.
That's Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
Pencil.
Sound it up?
Oh, okay. Ooh, that couch looks comfy.
I don't want to cut the fabric.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania is where American congress heard the Declaration of Independence in 1776. They have a picture of the Declaration of Independence, and it's long. What is it about?
Keep reading, that's what you're learning history for. All right, as you can see, a lot has gone into this room. Just a little review of everything. These floating shelves came from at home. The flowers, the plants did as well. This is a picture of Nevin's, I think, 5th position ballet pose. Just made it black and white. That was at ballet class. When she was waiting to go into class, she was just warming up. I love that picture. Here's our new TV. 27-inch, I think it is. I'm not sure. I'm trying to step out of the picture there. Our fireplace came from Amazon. It's a crystal display, and it has heat that comes out and absolutely amazing. Just put a couple of little accessories at the bottom there. I guess it's called accessories. Just a couple. I don't want it crowded and full of stuff. This tree came from Amazon, 7-foot ficus. Lovely. We got to get a pot for that, but for now we just have the little black pot that it came in. These curtains, if you can see them, hopefully the light's not too bright, came from Amazon as well. I'm going to tell you now, everything in this room except for one coffee table came from Amazon. Amazon came through. This little coffee table came from Amazon. Yep. The candle here from at home. This is a book about Mother Teresa. I just put it in the easel instead of a picture, and it looks really nice. This striped black and white chair, Amazon, of course, and it looks gray up close, but they do call it black and white, and I mean, it looks nice. It goes great with the room. Pillow cover from Amazon. All these pillow covers came from Amazon as well. This is a nice boho type of style. It has little tassels here. They blend in with the chair so you can't really tell. There's cute little tassels. No, not boho. I can't remember the print. African print. I'll think of it. And I'll try to list that as well. This picture frame I got from Goodwill. It is so cute. It's striped, black and white. And I took that picture there of the fog during my morning walk. We have a couple of accessories there. This lamp we got at the thrift store as well. This came from Arc in Spokane. And we got the shade. It was like $2. And we got the shade at home as well. This plant came from Goodwill. I got that with this. Okay, cute. Can't go wrong with thrift stores, people. This sofa, of course, Amazon. I put this bad boy together, as you can see in the video. There's a, here we are, this standing lamp. Love this. That came from Goodwill as well. I want to say possibly Wayfair. This and this table, I think, came from Wayfair, so I was mistaken. 2 items. This end table and that lamp. These tables were brown nesting tables. They're actually patio tables, and I painted them white, and we're using them as the coffee table. Love, love, love this. I hate painting, but this project turned out so well. I think I just used, well, I used 4 coats. I did sand them as well, but this was an easy project, and I mean, these look amazing. Yeah, so I mean, this is just an easy room makeover. This room was so dark, and as you can see now, it is bright. It's you know, it's minimal. Oh, I forgot my art here. I took all of these photos here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm in love with fall up here. I just don't experience fall in Arizona. All of these pictures are amazing. And I took all of these. They're hard to get to, the ones on top. There's a lighthouse up there, more fall foliage, and the beautiful sound at Discovery Beach, Discovery Park. So I took those and I left some room here because I will, you know, I will put some more photos underneath and hopefully kind of fill up the wall a bit more. But for now, that's what I'm doing. But here's the room. it's all done. This photo, you can see I got at the thrift store. It's hard to tell with the reflection, but frame and all, it was 99 cents. Someone hand painted it as a mountain landscape. Black and white goes perfectly with the room. White rug came from Amazon as well. Fireplace, I think I stated, and the TV both came from Amazon. So Amazon came through. We went out a couple of times to grab things. Other than that, I ordered them and just waited for them to come to the door. But here's the finished room, people. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is what a nice, bright, minimal makeover looks like.